What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 3 of the series. So on the last episode, we sold the 2007 Saturn Vue and we made a healthy profit. Our profit was, if I'm not mistaken, it was like $1,295. Don't quote me. I'm going to put the price up here of what the profits were. So we purchased that vehicle for $250, restored it, sold it for $2,500, and made roughly $1,300 on it, and the real numbers will be up here. So in the time for now, for episode 3, we're going to show you what we did with the profits. So we had roughly about $1,300 that was left from the sale. Sorry, garage doors make a ton of noise. So with the profits, remember, we're going to run this series and see where we can get to and how much we could make and what purchases we could get just with the initial of $250. So I purchased this bad boy, 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Paid $240, came in the opportunity, need some work, and I'm sure we could get this up and running and make it profitable. Also purchased with the same profits that we had, another 2007 Saturn Vue Honda drivetrain 3.5. This one has a little bit more miles, but overall it's in pretty good condition. It doesn't take much to get it up and sold. You can see this one does have the running boards, but other than that, it looks identical to the last one that we just sold. All right, so we're gonna start off with the 07 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Once again, I haven't cleaned or done anything really with these vehicles. Has 162,000 miles. Has some stains, but it should clean up. Should clean up really nice. The paint's in pretty good condition. Some fading, but you look here towards the front. UV damage here, but probably buff a lot of that out so it look presentable. No major, actually, no real dent at all, no real paint damage. Some fading over here. Tires are practically new, so that's good. Actually, this is probably the only spot that I see any type of damage. Some stickers. So other than that, this should clean up nice. It does have a heavy misfire. Doesn't want to drive really well, and does have, it is leaking transmission fluid, so I have to look into that. Over here is the 07 Saturn Vue with a 3.5 in it. Tires are a little worn. This vehicle does start but does not charge. Like I said, I haven't cleaned it out yet. Still has everything from the last owner. But this ends up, I'm pretty sure with this one is just changing the serpentine belt and a tensioner for the running car. It does have some suspension issue that I want to address. Other than that, should be a good, inexpensive A to B vehicle. Should pull in roughly the same thing that the last one did, but we shall see. So again, we started off buying one of these for $250. We ended up with close to $1,300 in profit after it was all said and done. Was able to buy these 2 vehicles, and we still have about $800 in the reserve from our last profit. Let's see what these 2 will bring us, and I will keep you guys posted on which one I'll be working on first and flipping and going from there. Stay tuned. So we're going to keep doing this. We're going to keep purchasing vehicles on the low, and then we're going to be selling them for a profit and taking those profits, reinvesting them, and see where we could get. The goal is to purchase what we want to purchase with $250 initial from our pockets. So I'll show you where we get, and hopefully you guys follow along. Make sure to like, subscribe, and keep following us and see where we get. So I cleared it. I wanted to check to see if it was any white smoke or anything. It's definitely misfiring. So after I scanned it, ran it for a little bit, I want to see what the code comes with now. So I have one. Let me see if I can identify which cylinder it's calling for. It says multiple. Alright. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to